Brand new update in Google Gemini. You can now share your gems with other people. Previously, it was only applicable for advanced users and were only private to you. But now, it's totally free for everyone. So Google has added the option to share these added within your teammates or family friends, or even the students can use the exact same setup every time. So for those who don't know what is Gem, so Gem is basically your customized AI assistant, a saved persona prompt that you can reuse anytime. Let me show you quickly. So just open any browser and type gemini.google.com, because this feature is only applicable for web version, not for mobile app. You will see the interface here. This one is the latest Gemini model that we are using. Now click on the left hand side and you will see the explore gems. So click on the explore gems option and you can see my gems. You can create your own new gem. And so as an example, I have added a gem here, my image. So if I mouse over here, we can see the share option, right? So I'm just clicking on share button and this explore gems feature that connects with your Google Drive. Files inside your gem use Google Drive permissions and admins can block sharing in workspace. So for connecting, first it will take the permission from you to connect the workspace with the Google one. So I'm just clicking on connecting. See, now it's asking to input the email, the person email with whom I want to share this gem. Let's say if I'm typing my friend name, this mehta.com. By default, it's showing notify people. So when you will send, so they will get the notification like they received this gem from Shaka. But if you don't want to notify them, then you can uncheck the box also. Okay. And box, you can see whether to choose the viewer, like they can only view, no editing can be done, or the editor means they can edit. So best option I would say is the viewer, as some files can have some information, so it's good to go with viewer option only. And copy the link and directly share to them, and I can just share this, and after clicking the share button, see, this is already done. So it gives me access updated. How cool is that, right guys? So follow for more Gemini tips.